If you want to make money online in 2026 but don't know where to start, this video is for you. I'm not here to sell hype or promise overnight success. I'll show you 7 realistic ways to make money online and break down step by step how you can start today. Stay until the end because the last method has the highest long-term income potential. Method 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is promoting other people's products and earning a commission per sale. You don't need your own product, and it's beginner-friendly. Here's how to start step by step. Pick a niche. Find a topic you enjoy or have knowledge about. Sign up for affiliate programs. Examples include Amazon, ClickBank, System.io. Create content, blog posts, videos, or social media posts that share your link. Share your links and track results. Use analytics to see what works. Reality check. It takes 3 to 6 months to gain momentum, so consistency is key. Method 2 is freelancing. Freelancing is offering your skills to clients online. It's a fast way to earn money based on your abilities. Steps to start freelancing. Identify your marketable skills. Writing, graphic design, video editing, AI content. Create a profile on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn. Pitch to clients directly or apply for posted gigs. Deliver quality work, earn reviews, and increase your rates. Freelancing pays faster than most online methods, but you trade time for money. Method 3 is selling digital products. Digital products are scalable online items like ebooks, templates, Notion planners, or mini courses. Steps to create and sell digital products. Pick a topic or skill you can teach. Design your product, ebook, planner, template, or mini course. Build a landing page or use marketplaces like Gumroad or Etsy. Drive traffic using social media, YouTube, or email lists. This method is high margin, requires no inventory, and scales well. The key is having an audience or learning to generate traffic. Method 4 is YouTube automation or faceless channel. YouTube automation allows you to create a channel without showing your face. This is perfect for educational or tutorial content. Steps to start. Choose a niche. Tutorials, educational content, product reviews. Script your videos. Use AI voiceovers and stock visuals for production. Upload consistently and optimize titles, thumbnails, and descriptions. It takes patience. Monetization comes with ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing, not just ads. Method 5 is print on demand. Print on demand lets you sell merch without holding inventory. Products include t-shirts, mugs, journals, and more. Steps to start. Choose your products: t-shirts, journals, mugs, or custom items. Design graphics yourself or hire a designer. Upload your designs to platforms like Printful, Teespring, or Redbubble. Market your products through social media or online stores. Pros: low startup cost. Cons: competitive, requires marketing skills. Method 6 is AI-powered services. AI-powered services are one of the fastest-growing online income streams. Services include AI promo videos, social media content, and automation setups. Steps to start AI services. Learn AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Canva AI, Pictory. Decide on your service: content creation, promo videos, automation. Build a small portfolio with examples. Offer your services on freelance platforms or direct to clients. This method rewards people willing to learn tools fast. Method 7 is building a personal brand. Personal branding is the long-term king of online income. You can leverage YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or newsletters. Steps to build a personal brand. Pick a niche or passion you are known for. Consistently create content across platforms. Engage your audience daily. Monetize via affiliate marketing, digital products, sponsorships, or courses. It's slower, but this is the most powerful and sustainable method. There is no magic method. The difference is focus, consistency, and skill development. If I were starting today with no money, I would combine affiliate marketing plus faceless content plus AI tools. I'll cover each of these methods in full detail in upcoming videos, showing exactly how to start, scale, and make real income. So subscribe and turn on notifications. Welcome to Amen Digital Cash Flow, where ideas become income.
Welcome to Amen Digital Cash Flow, where ideas become income.